No, come here.
I cannot eat. I cannot eat. You know, my God, I cannot eat.
Let go.
See how many angels surrounding
Let go.
Eva. So far, she is still alive, but we will change. We want to find a way out.
Let go.
I could never like come outside because of these azaleas. Ooh, whoa. These are azaleas that my mom grew that she,